The ugly duckling looked very different from his brother and sister ducks. The other ducks teased him and treated him very mean, just because he looked different. The ugly duckling searched for a place where he would be accepted for who he was. He was not accepted by the chickens, nor was he accepted by the rabbits. The ugly duckling thought he found friends with some alligators, but they just wanted to hurt him. Everyone he met just teased him and treated him very mean. The ugly duckling spent a very lonely winter trying to stay warm and dry. He missed his brother and sister ducks, even though they were so mean to him. Soon it was spring, and the ugly duckling was fully grown. He saw a beautiful flock of long-necked swans. He was embarrassed to be seen by them. Much to his amazement, the swans approached the ugly duckling and asked him to become a member of their flock. He became shy and bent his head. As he looked down toward the water, he saw that he was not an ugly duckling at all, but he was really a beautiful swan. We must always remember to be kind to all people. All of us look different from each other. We should never make any people feel like they are an ugly duckling.